Knott's Berry Farm is celebrating their 100th anniversary this year with some incredible new food. Foodbeast wants to check it out. Here's 3 items we recommend grabbing while in the park. Up first is the Super Fun Bun at Ghost Town Grub. This is a massive 12-inch cinnamon roll that's coated in funnel cake batter, then deep fried. The entire thing gets coated with a generous ladle of boysenberry glaze, plus powdered sugar. It's a decadent sweet treat with plenty to share. Check out that crust section though. Next up, we're heading to Costa's Diner for Xcelerator the Burger. This is a massive bacon cheeseburger with 2 pounds of ground beef and a whole bunch of cheesy sauced fries on the inside piled up with plenty of bacon. You're gonna want a few people to take this one down. Finally, over at Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner, you gotta get the Proud Bird. This is a massive fried chicken sandwich served on a 12-inch Hawaiian bun and is filled with chicken, lettuce, aioli, and pickles. The entire thing is crowned off with a whole chicken slider just for scale, and there's an entire pound of crispy fries on the side. If you're a fan of afternoon tea, check out Cordelia's Tea Party, also at Mrs. Knott's. You can choose from a selection of teas, and then there's an array of sandwiches and baked goods you can try. This sandwich has prosciutto and brie in it. There's also items like lemon scones that you can coat in boysenberry jam. Check all of these out at Knott's for a limited time to celebrate their 100th year around, and let us know where we should head to next.